Mommy, please. You're very decent.
Mommy. Sebio, fear I'm better now.
Who stop it?
Will you stop it? What's a kid here? Don't be talking to us like that.
Mommy. Sano Manuma when you are the ever solve program.
Mommy, please.
Listen. Please, let's sit down and see how best we can solve this issue. Yes, so it's all right. It's all right.
Don't try us. Mommy, please. For the sake of God and for the sake of peace.
It's all right.
Listen. For you to understand that we are very decent ladies in this house.
Listen. Hello.
But Mr. Frimpong.
Wait. Yeah. Ladies. Mr. Frimpong is here about 6 years ago in this house.
Yeah.
You people came here about 1 year.
Exactly.
So your light bill, you pay your light bill for Kubuati or you pay.
Madam, please, that's the reason why I want to explain things to you.
Mr.
Did I ask you something?
Whatever happened with you? Hey,
Let him go. Shame. Let him go.
What's really going on?
Mr. Frimpong.
No.
Mr. Frimpong.
Mommy.
Mr. Frimpong.
Why? I don't want to know. This is the CPA. I'm going to be just I did you want to be a and a library, yes, someone mooking. Who will be a obedient to a library, obedient to Yanisica, lady a good to you. Every day by the summer, 5 months, maybe to your house.
5 months. 5 months. Mr. Frimpong, why not telling mommy what is happening? Mr. Frimpong, why you not telling mommy?
Yeah, solve the overhaul.
You better solve it all. You better solve it.
We wipe penny there, 7 penny dear man to man. Yeah, baby, and say, Kwaku, Edu Babiana or my pressure can crack. And Tiana one in a casa.
You don't understand what you're saying. Yes, please, what is he saying? You don't understand what you're saying.
And don't worry. That is why I'm speaking local language to Mommy so that she will understand.
So why don't you want us to understand what you are saying?
So I said we will sit down and resolve it.
You better resolve things, so Mr.
Yes, we will
resolve it.
We will resolve it.
Okay.
No, this is embarrassment.
Don't worry. Let's not check. Why
are you letting this guy talk to us as if we have some irresponsibility?
Lady, I want your name. I refuse your name.
Please, I'm blessing.
Blessing.
Queen,
have patience, okay?
Have patience. But we can't let this man insult us every time. Mr. Frimpong knows that we have.
Listen.
Oh,
so I'm saying, meeting, you're busy. Una if you run. So I can also wait to net you. It will be a better, not the eye, nothing way. True. I said,
so. Me dinner and so not just say, as we read, yes, we be as a befeeling cry and coming. Daddy, you go to the and says everybody says, so deck you. Nothing your own tree. So payment like the